What's going on YouTube? Back again with another video. So right now we are here at Planet Fitness where we're gonna have our event to choose the giveaway winner on the two-step limiter and $50 cash prize. So we will be choosing those tonight here at probably around 7. Right now it's like 6:12. So right now I got it set up. Got the merge, got the canopy, got some games. We're waiting for some people to show up, the homies, and we do got a food truck right there too. So let's see how this event goes, and we are going to be doing a toy drive here too, like we did last year. So hopefully this year will be a better turnout, but y'all stay tuned for that video. For now, we're gonna, like I said, set up for now, and we'll pick the video back up here in a bit. Got the pro pulling up right there. Got MST right there. Got some more cars here. Got some more cars here pulling up right there. Got MST over here, and hopefully we get a little bit more. And we got like 10 minutes, and here like around 7 to 7:15 we should be going live to choose the winner. So y'all stay tuned, and we'll go from there. So y'all stay tuned.
Se quema, solo del mejor producto con Ensensi sale buena. Que me van a andar contando si produzco por montones. En estos tiempos he visto.
Food truck. So here in a bit we are going to be getting one of them to do the giveaway. So y'all stay tuned for that here in a bit.
Son las cosas que uno va pensando, rolando un cigarro, paseando por Hollywood. Son las cosas que uno va pensando, rolando un cigarro, paseando por Hollywood. No quiero. mejor producto con el Sensi sale buena. Que me van a andar contando si produzco por montones. En estos tiempos he visto morritos muy hocicones que se queman un buen toque y siempre empiezan.
Y'all stay tuned. We are doing it for the YouTube. So we are going to be recording both of them. If you didn't catch the live, YouTube right there, Locos to the Court, and catch us there. So y'all stay tuned. We're in another. We are about to choose a winner right now, so y'all stay tuned. Getting the last final tickets. We got a little crew right here, so I'm gonna choose someone to come up and choose the ticket. So right now they are gonna gather everyone up, and we are gonna be choosing the winner right now. So we're gonna have some random person choose it, and we're gonna see where this two-step limiter goes. So I might have to get off the phone, but y'all stay tuned to the YouTube. Like I said, we are gonna be calling the winner, so it is gonna be on the YouTube. Since of course I can't call and go live, but y'all stay tuned for that. So right now we do got a few people right here. We are gonna be choosing like I said, the two-step limiter. We're gonna choose a random person right here, and we'll see where the two-step limiter goes. But like I said, we are gonna be spinning the wheel. If one of them does get caught, I'm gonna make sure none of them get caught, just to make sure it's fair for everybody. But y'all stay tuned, and like I said, we're gonna go from there. Let me see if I can put y'all live. We do got the two tickets right here. We're gonna be calling number 1 and number 2 winners, so we're gonna call them live and hopefully they answer. Like I said, if they don't answer, we got 24 hours. Hopefully they answer, then if not, we'll choose another one, but y'all stay tuned from there. So we're gonna probably end the live. Like I said, we got 2 live right now, but y'all stay tuned for the YouTube channel, and we're gonna be choosing the winner. So right now we are gonna call the the winner and see if they answer. So it is ringing, so that's good. Still ringing. Hello? This is Jesus. You entered for a giveaway de la Cheyenne. Yeah, you won the two-step limiter. Yeah, where are you from? Oh yeah, you're the winner, man. Yeah, we're over here at the Planet Fitness. If you want to pull up, you can meet here, or if you want me to ticket you tomorrow, however you want me to do it, I'll meet up with you. Yeah, that works. If you want, like I said, I'll meet up with you tomorrow. I'll send you a text, and whenever you want to meet up, I'll meet up with you. You're welcome. Thank you for entering the sport. Bye. So right now we did call the winner. He is local, so you will be I will present him tomorrow. And right now we are going to be calling the second winner for the $50 cash. So if they want it cash or cash app, whatever they want it, we will do that. So let me go ahead and call the second winner and go from there. So let me just dial a number and call it in. Right now we are going to be calling the second giveaway winner, so let's see, hopefully they answer. It's out of town number, so let's see what they say. Hello, this is Jesus. You entered for a giveaway? Yeah, you're the second winner, so you did get the $50 cash prize. Yeah, where are you from? Oh yeah, all right, thank you. That's what's up, man. You said you didn't have cash app or anything like that last time I met up with you? Yeah, there's different ways we can do it. I could either go to a Walmart, cash app you the name through a name, go like that, or I am gonna be in Albuquerque this the last of this month for a toy drive up there, so it's up to you. However you want me to do it, I'll do it, but just to get it up there for you quicker. So the toy drive is on the 1st. Yeah, but if you want, I could always go to a Walmart. I don't know if you ever send money through there. Yeah, I mean, like I said, whatever works with you, I'll keep in contact and we'll do it that way. Yeah, but thank you for entering the giveaway and the support. The first one was a local person from here in town, Roscoe. Yeah, so yeah, if you want to watch the video on YouTube, I am recording right now, so you are probably live right here. It's the YouTube channel is gonna be Low Boosted Accord. Low Boosted Accord. Yeah, if you wanna, I'll send you the link so you could follow it. Yeah, you're welcome, and thank you again, and I'll stay in contact with you. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye. You too. Bye. So right now we did just call both winners. The second one is from, I believe, Santa Fe, I want to say, close to Albuquerque. So like I said, I'm gonna get in contact with him because last time he did buy us a couple books, so he is the winner for the second one. And the first one, it's funny because both winners won with just a book. And like I said, so we are gonna be starting a new giveaway. Like I said, those ones are gonna be taken out. And like I said, I appreciate everyone for the continued support. Next time we are gonna have a bigger table and custom canopy. But like I said, we did just choose the giveaway winners. So this one's staying local. We're gonna meet up with the person tomorrow, give this to him, and the other one, like I said, since you don't really have social media, just Instagram. So like I said, whatever works for him. I am gonna be making a trip up there out of town, so I'll be giving him the cash. Like I said, whatever works for him and gets it quicker. But like I said, we're gonna go from there, and tomorrow we'll stay so we could meet up with the two-step limiter giveaway. But y'all stay tuned, and y'all stay tuned for the second giveaway. Y'all don't want to miss out. It's gonna be sweet, but I will be making a video for that. And right now, like I said, we're just gonna have a good time with the bros right here, and we'll see if we'll sell any more merch and go from there. But I appreciate everyone showing love and support for the brand, and we're just gonna get bigger and go from there, do some better giveaways for y'all. But like I said, I really appreciate everyone that supported and came out tonight, showed love. And like I said, we'll meet up in the morning and go from there. So we did just sell some coloring books, keychains, the other ones. So like I said, we are starting the new giveaway. So we got a few tickets right now for the new one, and tomorrow, like I said, we're gonna meet up for this one, and we'll do the video too for the cash prize too. So y'all stay tuned for that. We'll see if we might even make another trip sooner. We'll see, like I said, but we are starting the new giveaway. Y'all stay tuned. Hopefully within a week, hopefully we'll choose and we'll be revealing the new item for the cash prize. So for the second place, it is gonna be 100 cash prize, and the first place I will be revealing, but for the second place we are for sure gonna give $100 for the giveaway. So y'all stay tuned, and the giveaways will just get better, but y'all stay tuned for the. So it is the Monday now. We did the giveaway Saturday, so right now we're here at the place where we're gonna be giving the two-step. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Right here we got the two-step limiter. Right now we're gonna go give it away to the giveaway winner, ask him see if he wants to be on camera, go from there and meet up with the other one. So y'all stay tuned for that, and let me go ahead and take it into him right now. What's going on, guys? We're over here with the first giveaway winner, and we're gonna introduce you to him.
What's up, y'all? Cisco here at Cheto's Boots, and the proud winner of this two-step rev limiter right here. I bought a coloring book off my boy here. When was like 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, like a week ago, I want to say, when you had your little event. I want to say
the 9th it was. And yeah, I just bought a coloring book, and he told me I got a raffle entry, and I didn't think I was gonna win, but we won. So we got a two-step limiter. And yeah, make sure to support El de la Cheyenne. Next time he does this, get you some merchandise, get you a coloring book. Those coloring books are dope. Get one for yourself or get one for your kids, you know. They're really cool. He's got some pretty cool lanyards and t-shirts and stuff, and some hats. So make sure to support. You never know, you might win a goodie like this one right here. So just let you guys check that one out. And also, next time you guys are in town in Roswell, make sure to stop by right here at Cheto's Boots. We got all kinds of boots for men, women, kids, and work. So this is the best place for boots right here. You don't need to go anywhere else. Just pull up here and we got you. So appreciate it, man. Thank you once again.
You're welcome. Thank you. So like I said, you heard it. You want to cop your boots here in Roswell, y'all make sure y'all stop here, check him out. He does do some raffles here and there, so if y'all want to follow him on Snapchat, I'll probably leave the link down here, and on Instagram. So I will be leaving the links down there if y'all want to check them out, and we'll probably get some shots of his store right here. Go from there. Then like I said, we're gonna be probably meeting up for the second winner, so y'all stay tuned for that, and we'll go from there. Thank you. did get the winner announced. Now I gotta meet up with the other one, but we will probably be doing that in the next video. Next week we will be meeting up with the other ones so y'all can see. And yeah, stay tuned. I am gonna be making another update on the next giveaway that we are gonna be doing for the second giveaway on our brand. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's something y'all don't want to miss. Y'all get entered and we will have hoodies hopefully this coming weekend. And yeah, stay tuned. We might make some trips out here for some Toys for Tots, and we are having one. I will be leaving the poster at the end right here. If y'all want to come through, pull up, bring some toys, and we will be doing 4 different prices. So y'all stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.